Just like a fingerprint, each person's hearing is one of a kind. Each individual's hearing anatomy uniquely and organically delivers the full soundscape to the brain. In doing so, we can intuitively understand our environment and focus on the sounds that matter while tuning down others. Until now, most hearing aids have been restricted to collecting sound from behind the ear and filling the information gaps via algorithms. The resulting sound can feel less natural and standardized as the brain struggles to interpret surroundings due to the incomplete sound picture. That all changes with ReSound ONE. ReSound ONE introduces a revolutionary new class of hearing aids. The first full-featured microphone and receiver in-ear, M&RIE, that collects sound right inside the ear. This breakthrough combines the natural sound of custom products with the advanced features and ease of use of a receiver in-ear model. Made possible by a brand new sound processing chipset and feedback management system, it's a major advancement in technology. ReSound ONE with M&RIE combines the two traditional microphones with a third that sits inside the ear canal as an integrated part of the receiver module. M&RIE uses the unique shape of the ear to collect sound the way nature intended. Using the pinna to collect sound gives better spatial perception and increases the ability to identify where sounds are coming from. ReSound ONE with M&RIE provides an immersive and individualized hearing experience with greater depth and direction. ReSound ONE. Hear like no other.